Today we are going to uncover 5 hidden features of the iPad 10th generation that you probably didn't know about, ranging from quick note-taking while your iPad is asleep to a magical trackpad experience never seen before. So grab your iPads and let's dive right in. First up on our list is a multitasking trick that can significantly boost your productivity. Did you know that you can open multiple apps simultaneously using the split view feature? Simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the dock, then drag one app icon to the side of the screen. Choose a second app and voila! You got 2 apps running side by side, perfect for research, note-taking, or even watching a video while browsing the web. Next, let's talk about a feature that makes note-taking a breeze. The iPad 10th Gen allows you to take quick notes without unlocking your device. Just tap the screen with your Apple Pencil when the iPad is in sleep mode, and the Notes app will open instantly. Jot down your ideas, sketches, or reminders on the spot and save valuable time in the process. Now let's explore the world of gesture control on the iPad. Swiping from the bottom left corner of the screen with 3 fingers activates the App Exposé feature. This nifty trick displays all open apps, making it easy to switch between them seamlessly. It is a great way to keep your workflow smooth and efficient, especially when you have numerous apps running in the background. Now, if you are enjoying these iPad 10th Gen features you've never heard of so far, please smash that like button as it really helps me out. Alright, so let's get right into feature number 4. So for feature number 4, did you know your iPad can turn into a mini laptop? So if you have a compatible trackpad, you can connect it to your iPad and experience the magic of cursor support. I do not have a trackpad, but I do have this keyboard with this case. So this keyboard and case essentially does the same thing, just without a trackpad, because the trackpad is only to move the mouse and the cursor around the screen. But if you get this keyboard and this case, you can also transform your iPad into a mini laptop. It transforms the iPad into a more versatile device, providing a desktop-like experience. Navigate through apps, select text, and perform various tasks with precision using the trackpad, a game changer for those who love a hybrid setup. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about privacy. The iPad 10th Gen comes with a fantastic privacy feature called Microphone Indicator. Whenever an app is using your device's microphone, you'll see a small orange dot on the top right of the screen. It's a subtle but effective way to know when your microphone is in use. Ensuring your privacy is always a priority. So that means anytime your microphone is in use, you will always see that small orange dot on the top right of your screen. So anytime your microphone is in use, you will know. And there you have it, 5 incredible features of the iPad 10th generation that you might have not known about. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tricks like this. And hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, Doggy Fresh.